What's up, everyone? Wait a second, please mute yourself. What's up, everyone? How you doing? I hope you're doing good. It's the first time we go live in a while. We're here in the Excel trading floor. I hope you're doing amazing. We're recording this live as well, but I don't know if I will share it after. Today, what we will do is a question and answer session. Why are we doing this today? Today we're doing question and answer session because this week there were many news. Yesterday there were crazy news. Today and tomorrow there are still news, and it's important to know when to trade and when not to trade. For the remaining of the week, we are not trading unless there is a clear and very clear opportunity. Now, other than this, from Monday we will smash it on Sinna channel. We booked 12% in January, so everything is going great. Today we're doing question and answer. Next week we do actually live trading. We do both. Sometimes we do question and answer. Sometimes we actually do live trading. Now let me see. I want to. All right, perfect. Perfect. So, of course, from Monday we'll do also live trading. For this week, right now, it's not really the best decision to trade. Oh, by the way, many people came actually here to the Excel office, Excel trading floor. It's really great to have people over. With that being said, let's start with the question and answer. You might see my course, you might see my videos, and you might have many questions. It's time to ask these questions, whether they are about trading, whether they are about investing, whether they are about cryptos, about anything. You can ask me now. Okay, first question is, Edward, is the strategy from Crypto Excel and Forex Excel the same, or is it different? So there are certain things in common for sure, because the strategy is similar, but there are ways to do it and to apply it to cryptos. Of course, it cannot be the same. It is slightly different. The concepts are the same, but it is slightly different. Hey Edward, how do you trade and what timeframes do you use? Everything is shared in the Forex course, but lately I've been adjusting to lower timeframes. I check a lot the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, and the 3 and 1 minute for entry after the Asian range is manipulated. How do you know when there is a news release? There are just websites. You just go on investing.com, on an economic calendar. It's very easy to just see if there are news or not. Avoid to trade news. This is what I do. This is what I recommend to my students. I get confused on fake change of characters, so please help me. Fake change of characters happen all the time because smart money traders think that they know everything, but there are manipulations also for smart money traders. It is important to differentiate between them, and there is a lesson in the Discord about fake confirmations and good confirmations. If you want, I will do another lesson. I will bring more examples. Edward, a lot of times my stop loss gets hit and then it goes to profit. Please help me. So you are, of course, entering before manipulations actually happen. And of course, you are not trading something that has an edge. You are still trading something that doesn't have an edge. You need to spend time on the market and just go back on all your losses. And you might notice that all your losses have something in common. If you always hit your stop loss after you enter and then it goes to profit, then ask yourself some questions and see how you can enter better and just execute differently. Ooh, this question. Hey Edward, is it better to look a lot at charts to find good opportunities or focalize on few charts? So It's better to focus on few charts rather than 20 different pairs. It's better to focus on few pairs. There is no correct number. I know traders that focus on one pair. I know other traders that focus on 5, other on 10 pairs. I focus on around 5 pairs. That's what works best for me. So yeah, that's my point of view. So you enter based on fake change of Carter. This depends. It depends if you want to enter against the fake change of Carter. So all the traders want to enter maybe a buy because there is a fake change of Carter. You enter in a sell with the sell confirmation, or you wait for the fake change of Carter to be swept, and then you trade the confirmation after the fake change of Carter if it is a good confirmation. How many pips of stop loss do you have, Edward? This question is wrong for many reasons, because it depends. It depends on the market. It depends on what the market is giving us. It depends on the setup. It depends on the time frame. Sometimes I enter in the 1 minute, sometimes I enter in the 3 minutes. So the pips don't matter. What matters is the risk to reward ratio. So I focus on minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and other than that, sometimes it is 3 pips, sometimes it is 10 pips, sometimes 15 pips, so it depends. How do you approach the market using fake change of Carter? I'm not sure if all of you watched the fake change of Carter lesson, because it's really important to take a look at that. It is the main focus lately to understand fake change of Carters. There is a really important and in-depth lesson about it, and I will share more case studies. I just want to see more engagement from the community, and if people show interest in that and they ask me to do that, I will do it. Do you just trade in London and New York session? What do you mean just? That's already too much. Sometimes I just trade London session, 2 hours. You don't need to trade a lot to make money. You just need to, you can catch one opportunity in 10 minutes and that's it, and make more than people that work every day are making. Where can I find that lesson? You find it in Discord. Let me see. Find it in Discord. Let me go check it out. The fake change of Carter lesson. I shared it in the Discord. I don't remember where, but I did. Add-on videos. So you find it on add-on videos, must watch. There is one lesson about lower time frames, but not fake change of Carter. You find it in the 3.0 section, Excel course 3.0. The last lesson is fake change of Carter. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, yeah, it's there. It's there. How do you manage your funded account, Edward? Please give some advice to pass it as soon as possible. How much risk do you take per trade? I take 0.5% risk per trade. The only way to pass funding accounts is to stick to the same risk management every time. Never ever over risk. Never ever make a mistake based on risk management and on discipline. If you can do that, then the only thing that remains to be fixed is your strategy. If you have a good strategy, then you make money. If not, you need to fix the strategy. You need to understand better fake change of Carters and manipulations. How do I manage it? As I said, I risk 0.5% per trade and I go on with my strategy. One other thing that we are doing is that we have a bot that passes automatically funded challenges, and this bot has been performing really good lately. We passed all the funding challenges that we had. We never really failed. Wait, I'm fixing my microphone. 1 second. Sorry for the noise. All right. No, it's not working. Anyway, we're passing with about all of the funded challenges that people are taking. They get funded automatically, and then they just need to focus on making profit and being consistent. If we are in an uptrend and lower Asian range manipulation, could we go higher after confirmation? We could go higher. I don't know, it depends. It depends on the chart, it depends on what's going on, it depends on higher time frames, it depends on lower time frames. Wrong question, I would say. Well, there are no wrong and right questions actually, but wrong approach, I would say. How can I get the Excel indicator, Edward? The Excel indicator is on the Discord, and there are all the instructions to get it. Are you Hey Edward, are you Spanish or British? None of those. I'm from Italy. Lived in Italy most of my life, then I lived for 3 years in Los Angeles in the United States, and then I moved to Canary Islands for life, because life here is amazing, for surfing, because surfing here is amazing, but also, and most importantly, I would say for taxes as well. So it's a mix of things, but I'm Italian. What is the best strategy? I'm really sorry that one of my students is asking me this question. What is the best strategy? There is no best strategy. There are only strategies that work and strategies that don't work. There is no best. Smart money doesn't work. You can take concepts, whether they are retail or whether they are indicators or whether they are smart money concepts, put them together and find and create a strategy that has an edge on the market and that statistically works. This is what you can do, but there is no best strategy. If you keep looking for the holy grail of trading, you will fail over and over and over again. Edward, hello. Is there any discount for Signal members for the Discord? I don't know right now, no. But if you're interested, you can contact Nick Excel. He will take care of your request and we can see what we can do for you. So one guy, Luca, is asking me if he bought the yearly Signals, if he has Discord included. I'm worried a little bit because we don't have the yearly option for the Signals. We usually have either monthly or lifetime. So I'm not sure if you bought the Discord. Let me know. It's incredible how much you have achieved so far, Edward. I've been following you for 2 years. You're really an inspiration. Keep up what you're doing. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. If I can give an advice, it all comes down to repetition of actions that put you closer to your goals and things that you want to achieve. You always strive to become a better person, a better businessman, a better trader. So I recommend you to focus on small actions and repeat them on a daily basis. And always try to make the right decision according to your goals. So if your goals are A, you need to make actions that are coherent with your goals. Otherwise, change your goals. So thank you so much. I'm glad that you've been following me for a long time. We're just getting started and I wish you the best. I wish you that, that all these years following me has brought you to profitability, and if not, that it is like that soon. What pairs are you looking for today? As I said already, today and tomorrow are not trading days. News are crazy. News are crazy this week. I recommend to start trading from Monday and we will smash February. Is there any option to extend Discord to lifetime? Yes, go on the Discord server, and on Discord there is the lifetime upgrade section and you get a discount to actually upgrade to lifetime. It's great to see my students actually wanting to, to upgrade. We will keep sharing value. We will keep going live. I didn't go live much in January, but I will try to do it 3 times per week from now on. If I wanted to create a bot like yours, I stop you here already. The bot is not mine. I'm collaborating with one person. He has the bot. I don't have the bot. We are collaborating together. He knows what he's doing. I don't program. We have around 90 people connected. Let me actually take a story right here. "90 people connected to the live. It's great. We're just getting started. We'll go live 3 times per week. Maybe sometimes we'll do it also for people on Instagram, but we will see. This is live for students. How do you increase your patience level and control grid? Everything that you want to improve is based on repetition and on practice. So practice just having more patience, from small things in life in general to trading. Every time you want to enter, ask yourself, is this coherent with me wanting to have more patience or not? Then try to do that. If you hit stop losses because you were not patient, then review your trades, understand where you went wrong, and try to not make the same mistakes again. Why don't you use the bot to trade and only to pass challenges? The bot is a high frequency bot and prop firms do not allow, or brokers do not allow this type of trading. So they are allowing it only to pass the challenge and then they block it and they don't allow it anymore. But the bot is amazing. It has been passing challenges in 24 hours. It's crazy. I just bought your, wait. Hey Edward, I just bought your lifetime signals. I got some nice gains. How can I upgrade and get also Discord access? What can I find and expect in Discord? So in Discord, you can expect my courses, my way of trading. You can find a community of like-minded individuals. There is no chat for now. The chat is only for Funded Accelerated members. But you find our case studies on a daily basis. You find our setups. Sometimes I share mine. Sometimes there are also other traders of the team that share their setups. And you find this live trading that not all the times is for lifetime signals. But yeah, mostly is the course, the setups, and the case studies. How you can upgrade. I recommend you to go on my website or contact Nick Excel. He might have an offer for you. Nick Excel, you find it on my Discord. I wrote it in the chat. He writes many times in the mindset and psychology section. Let me know if you are able to connect with him, because he takes care of people that want to upgrade usually. Hey Edward, is there something in understanding smart money that you find game-changing and make you understand better the market? So what I would say that is game-changing is really the mindset and the discipline. This is game-changing. Other than that, concepts that helped me the most are liquidity for sure, internal and external liquidity. The other thing is for sure fake change of characters and smart money liquidity, because smart money traders at the end of the day are still not profitable. So focus on thinking outside the box and focus on understanding why the majority of the traders are still losing money. Are there more questions? Yeah, there are. Do you recommend starting a challenge in February, or should I wait? If you are ready, if you are consistent, start it. February is good. January was also good. We booked 12% in the Sina channel, so it's good. Are you considering creating a general chat for members? For now, no. I have a chat for funded accelerated members, which have my biggest package. They can come here to the office, trade with me, look at the podcasts, go around with me and get to ask me questions in person and trade with us, with the team. And they have access to the chat as well, but we don't have a chat for the Discord. How much chart time and trades per week do you recommend for a break-even trader? There is no right or wrong. Trust me, you can take 1 trade per week, you can take 15 trades per week, but it can still be profitable or non-profitable. So there is no right or wrong. You just need to find the edge that you have with your strategy, execute it, and be disciplined with that. I'll answer to the last questions. What do you think about Bitcoin? Was 15, 16K the bottom? I'm in real FOMO because I always thought Bitcoin would drop more. Please guys, don't ever think this way. You must have a plan, just like trading. With cryptos, you must have a plan. What I did, my approach to cryptos is I set prices where I want to enter. So while we were going down, I bought at 25K. Then I got another entry at 19K. And then I was like, okay, if we go lower, I will buy at 12K. If we don't, and we go higher, and we go to profit, and we go to all-time highs, I'm in profit. So I win either way. I either get better entry prices, lower, or I go to profit. So this is how I approach cryptos. You should never FOMO. You should never have fear of missing out. Doesn't make sense. You must develop a plan. People that have a plan make money. People that don't have a plan don't make money. Let me know if you are liking this live and if you like the Excel office right here. Here is where we do the podcast. We are recording many podcasts with many new guests. Right now we are having many traders, many entrepreneurs from all over the place. Hopefully I will see some of you guys here soon to come check it out. And that's it. People want more examples of fake change of Carter. We will do more examples of fake change of Carter. Also, make sure to attend the live tradings, because during live tradings I do many examples. If you didn't see them, it's just because you didn't watch the live tradings that I did in the past. Because there is one lesson in the there's one lesson in the Discord about the fake confirmations and good confirmations, but there are many live trading there are several live trading sessions where I was explaining fake change of Carter, good change of Carter, good entries, bad entries. Here is another question about cryptos. You are right, but do you think that there will be a drop, or are you bullish? The thing is exactly this. I don't care. I don't have a bias. I don't care if I'm bullish, bearish, I don't care. My plan is, if we go lower, I buy. If we go to 14, 12, 10K, I buy. If we don't, I make money. That's it. I don't care if we go lower. I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I don't care. My plan will play out regardless. Do you record the latest live trading sessions, or or what? Yes, they are. They are shared in Discord. There is the live trading section, and you can go there and you have access. How many years it took you to achieve what you're achieving? Around all the years that I've been trading. I've been trading almost 9 years. So I would say 9 years, but mostly I would say 5 years, 4 years made the biggest difference. 2 years ago, I had 0 houses. Now I have 6. It takes time. It compounds. Same actions for 5 years, repetitive, discipline, it compounds. There is a certain time where everything compounds and you see most results in 2 years compared to all the 9 years together. Nice. Thank you for this live. We still have around 80 people connected. It's great to see that most of you are staying here, staying connected, checking the live, asking questions. It's great. With that being said, I hope I answered to everyone. Otherwise, make sure to continue, stay here, ask me questions. Please keep in mind that I answer most of the questions here in my live trading sessions. If you write me on Instagram, if you write me on Discord, it's very hard for me to answer because you see how many followers we have. It's crazy. We get many messages on a daily basis. It's really, really hard to answer to everyone. But if you connect to the live trading sessions, we will take care of it. Now, if you are interested in any of our packages, whether it is the FTMO Accelerator Program, whether it is the CNAS or the Investor University, which is great to start a business online and to invest money, you can contact Nick. He's the one that will take care of the packages, will explain you everything that you need to know. And yeah, you can get started with that, and life is bullish. With that being said, thank you for connecting. I'll see you next time we go live.